Hi, my name is Martin Prast, Director of Business Development here at Spectralink. I'm here today to give an introduction to our 72 series handsets. These handsets have been designed to be very focused around drops. That means they're very robust, they're very durable, and also feature rich. And as we focus very much with these solutions around mobile workforce, they've been designed to focus around retail, healthcare, and again, with the focus around being mobile. This is a mobile workforce that we have in these environments. These people rely on being able to continue to be mobile. That means battery life is of great importance. And with that, we focused on providing technology where you can continue to recharge your handset even slowly or short, and as part of that, be able to keep using your handset without damaging the batteries. If we look at the handsets, there's two models. The 7202 that provides the functionality around alarm button and simple messaging. In addition to that, with the 7212, we also provide a headset jack and a loudspeaker. So you have even more functionality to be used in these harsh environments. In addition to that, there's of course some accessories. We have a desk charger that we can use for this. There's a belt clip that can be added to the handset and provide even more mobility around that area. And in addition to that, of course, functionality. These handsets is all about communication. So voice is very important in this process. So for us, we have great importance in our partnerships with the leading telephony platforms and provide direct integration, validated testing on these type of environments. As I mentioned before, messaging, notification, alarming is a big part of the solution as well. So we provide integration based on an open platform, and with that, partners of third-party partners, our own, or even larger customers are able to develop their own integration with these types of solutions. And that provides a really broad functionality, both from a voice perspective and alarming functionality. Thank you.